Welcome back. So whether we choose to use speech synthesis in that tab or we continue to use the projects, it may be a good idea to begin to test 11 Labs constructed voices. So for example, here in chapter 1, we can switch the narrator. And so once we make the change, we want to make sure to use the default settings for the voice. And once we have the default settings for the voice, what we can do is we can then narrate the process. So we want to make sure that our continuous narration is going to be turned on. We can then play the voice to determine how well it's going to read our paragraph.
In the realm of consulting, frameworks serve as the backbone of analysis and strategy development. They offer a structured way to dissect complex business problems, identify bottlenecks, and prioritize areas for improvement. This methodical approach is crucial in navigating the multifaceted nature of organizational challenges, where issues can span from operational inefficiencies to strategic misalignments.
So as you can see, the AI constructed voice from 11 Labs reads the text consistently. And so this is going to be a consideration you'll want to make before you determine if your project needs to have a professionally cloned voice. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.